Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have it on the screen. All right. And now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. You can tap on them, hold them and drag them to this panel to have, of course, much faster access. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, after that, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. And let me pick the option, the language, which is quite graphical, I would say, in order to show you the actual difference. So let me pick something like Arabic or Assyrian. Maybe Arabic. Let's tap on it. And sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you like to set. Here you've got 2 different types of the keyboard. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with the first one. And as you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied to this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got 2 differences here. So first of all, the space bar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So it is a language key. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one and tap on it again. And here we've got English. So actually this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now quickly let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left. So just like it was at the very beginning. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the language key, so we simply cannot change it. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.